Assalamu alaikum doctors. Have you ever wondered how countries like Pakistan, India or Japan change over time in population and why some nations grow very fast while others are shrinking? Let's understand this through a simple concept called demography, the scientific study of human populations. Demography tells us three main things: population size, composition and distribution. But the real question is, why does population change? The answer lies in five key processes: fertility, mortality, migration, and others that shape how a population grows or declines. Let's start with fertility. Tell me, why does Pakistan have such a young and rapidly growing population? Because fertility is still relatively high, meaning more babies are being born. We measure this using crude birth rate, CBR. For example, in Pakistan, the CBR is still much higher compared to countries like Japan, where very few babies are born each year. Now think about mortality. Why do people live longer today than 50 years ago in countries like India or Pakistan? Because mortality is decreasing due to better hospitals, vaccines, and healthcare. We measure this using crude death rate, CDR. But here is an important question. What happens when birth rates stay high but death rates fall? The answer is rapid population growth, exactly what we see in many developing countries. Now let's connect this to the demographic transition model. Countries move in stages. Pakistan is currently in stage 3, where birth rates are slowly declining but still higher than death rates. On the other hand, countries like Japan are in stage 5, where deaths are more than births and population is actually shrinking. Isn't it surprising that a developed country like Japan is losing population? Now think globally. India has now become the most populated country in the world. Why? Because its fertility declined slowly, but its population base was already very large. Meanwhile, China is facing the opposite problem: very low birth rates and an aging population. So the key question is, why is demography important for us as health professionals? Because it helps us plan hospitals, vaccines, maternal health services, and even family planning programs. Without understanding population trends, we cannot design effective healthcare systems. To summarize, demography is not just numbers. It is the story of how humans are born, live, and die across the world. And when we understand CBR, CDR, and population stages, we can predict the future of any country. So the next time you hear about population growth, ask yourself, is this country in stage 2, stage 3, or stage 5? And what does that mean for its future? Thank you for watching, and stay curious about how the world changes through population science.